Either may signs na sa umpisa na hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, pero lalabas yan pag halfway ka na. Kasi nandito yung greatest challenge. Pasok ba sa standards mo o mababa yung standard mo para sa sarili mo? You observe yourself. Pag nakita mo ba yung presyo, re-react ka, parang mahal ah. Papasok ngayon yung beliefs. Gets? So ang kalaban mo dito, while earn your journey, 1, pasok ba sa standards mo o mababa yung standard mo para sa sarili mo? 2, maybe you are in the right state. Baka mamaya, tinitingnan mo yung presyo ng G63, gutom ka lang. Kain mo na ng ramen. Or 3, hindi ka naniniwalang kaya mo. 1, you have a poor mindset. So doon natin sisimulan. Because most people, yan ang problema. Minsan din natin problema skills, minsan problema natin beliefs. Poor mindset. Lagyan natin dito. Poor mindset. Fixed mindset. Hindi ko kaya yan, hindi ako mag-grow eh. Or the worst languages, I am not enough. Connected dyan, I am unlovable. Wala nagmamahal sa akin. Delikado rin to. Ito worse, may nagawa kang mali, hindi mo papatawad sarili mo, o baka ginaslight ka lang in the past, feeling mo hanggang ngayon mali ka. I am bad. So this is guilt. Masama akong tao eh. So you have to forgive yourself. Are you with me still? These are the worst beliefs that you could have. Minsan kasi, Sir MJ, ba't siya nasa gitna? Minsan kasi, halfway your journey saka siya lumalabas. Either may signs na sa umpisa na hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, pero lalabas yan pag halfway ka na. Kasi nandito yung greatest challenge sa gitna. Clear? So it means that as you set goals initially, and why do we even talk about standards? Okay, bakit mahalaga yung standards? This is a powerful analogy, no? If this is you right here, sa baba, yung tinatawag na failure, no? So this is failure, this is rock bottom. Pag bumagsak ka dyan, for example, this is the comfort zone, okay? Comfort zone, comfort. This is what we call the known. This is what you know. Sa Tagalog, nakasanayan. Right? Which means, na pwedeng magkakaiba tayo ng comfort zone. There are people earning 20,000 per month and it's a comfort zone for them. Are you with me still? Okay? So, ngayon, if this is your comfort zone, ramdam ba natin minsan may mga tao na, or tayo din, in our journey, parang ito yung level na gusto kong matagos. I wanna break through this level. I wanna reach a certain point. Pero bakit laging hanggang doon? Nakarelate? Narelate kayo? It's like, diyan ka nasanay. That's the standards. The standard is the lead. Okay? The standard is the lead. Yan yung takip. Takpan ka niyan. So ngayon, pag bagsak mo sa comfort zone mo, ang tawag po dyan, bumagsak ka, ang tawag niyan resistance. We don't like it. We don't like that. Parang, ay, nagugutom na ako ng konti ah. Hindi ko na nabibili yung, iba na sabon ko ah. Dati, ang ganda ng sabon ko ah. Body wash ko, Lush. Back to Safeguard ako ah. Kaasar ah. So, meron kang nakasanayang lifestyle, minsan hinihintay mo pang sagad na sagad. Pag sagad na, ano gagawin mo? Babalik ka. Boom. That's already momentum. Pero imbes na i-exceed mo, ay okay na to, titigil ka. Because that's the comfort zone or that's what's known to you. That's the familiar past. Komportable ka. Right? That's why I keep telling people you have to be comfortable. If you want to be successful, you have to be comfortable having conversations with people who are more successful than you. Because sometimes they will call you out. Right? I've seen billionaires, napakabait. Na-late ako ng, alam mo yun, 1 minuto. You're fucking late. Masusuntukin ako ah. Pero mamaya okay na kami. Mabilis siya magpatawad. Next time, don't do that to me. Yes, sir. Order ka na. Ano yun? What happened? May ganun pala. They get my point? Millionaires, billionaires, they confront you. Hindi ko gusto ang gawa mo. Ako galit, pero ayos mo. Ulitin mo yan. Are you with me? Now, here's the idea. There's resistance. I remember, nung nagko-commute pa lang ako, I hate commuting. Naranasan kong isakay ako ng kotse. Ang sarap pala ng may kotse. Kasi pag wala kang kotse, kaya naubos eh. Kaya pag wala ka palang kotse, kimpi ka, di ba? Pag sakay mo ng jeep, one side na eh. Tanggal ang kimpi mo eh. No? Tapos pag ganun mo ng tenga mo, maitim. Right? Parang, pag ganito mo, ang lagkit. Yung suit mo ngayon, dumihin ngayon yung suit mo. Hindi ka makapag-suit ng puti. Kasi yung kwelyo, iitim eh. May libag, libag. So that was my problem. So I hate it. So bottom line is like, I don't like that. Ito yung standard ko. Kaya kahit anong mangyari, bibili akong kotse. Kaya ako nakuha yung kotse. Kasi doon ako nakatira eh. Are you with me? So there's a standard. Gets? Ngayon, tumaas yung buhay mo. Umangat yung buhay mo. Na-promote ka. Mas marami palang trabaho. Right? Tapos pag business partner ka, I don't know if you have that setup, pag business partner ka, pag hindi kumikita ang kumpanya, hindi ka rin kikita agad. Dati, swelduhan ako Ngayon, ang tagal Right? Ang tawag doon, resistance ulit. It's the same feeling. Hindi mo alam na nag-upgrade buhay mo. Hindi alam ng utak, puso't katawan mo na nag-upgrade ka. Ang alam mo lang, parang ang hirap na naman. May resistance na naman. So most people, nagkakotse, ang hirap bayaran, ang hirap mag-maintain, mahal pala ng gulong ng Mustang. Akala ko yung Porsche mas mura gulong, mas mahal, Pirelli P0 na naman. Bagsak ulit. Because you are always going back to the known, to the familiar past. Are you with me still? That is why, the standard problem, umpisa pa lang makikita mo na yan. When you set the vision, you observe yourself. When you set the vision, you observe kung kaya mong lunukin. Don't get me wrong, kinakabahan ka. Okay lang yun. Because sometimes yung kaba, thrill yun eh. O kaya hindi mo alam, excitement yun.